Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your business with CNA, full guide step by step clearly. To effectively protect your business with CNA, start by understanding what CNA stands for. CNA refers to the Continental Assurance Company, known for its comprehensive insurance solutions. Begin by assessing your business's specific risks and needs. Identify potential liabilities that could affect your operations. Next, research CNA's various insurance products. CNA offers a range of options including general liability, property insurance, and professional liability coverage. Contact a CNA representative to discuss your specific requirements. Schedule a consultation to gain insights into potential policy options available to you. Prepare a list of questions related to coverage limits, deductibles, and premiums. Review your current insurance policies to identify any gaps in coverage. Consider bundling different insurance products to save on costs. Ensure that you understand the claims process by asking your representative for detailed information. Once you have all the necessary information, compare CNA's offerings to those of other insurance providers. Evaluate the terms and conditions of the policies you are considering. Pay attention to any exclusions that may affect your coverage. After making a decision, complete the application process with accurate information. Be prepared to provide documentation about your business operations and previous insurance claims. Once your policy is in place, regularly review your coverage as your business evolves. Consider annual consultations with your CNA representative to keep your insurance aligned with your business needs. Stay informed about any changes in your industry that may affect your insurance requirements. Finally, cultivate a strong relationship with CNA for ongoing support and advice in managing your business risks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.